Dr. Barbara O'Neill was silenced. Shilajit benefits. They don't want you to know.
Shilajit 92 out of 102 minerals and vitamins the body needs to function daily. It's packed with antioxidants, supports immune health, heart health, and increases brain mood. Vitamin B12 in Shilajit prevents copper deficiency, such as fatigue, brittle nails, even graying of your hair, improves sexual health. Shilajit protects from dysfunctional iron in the body that can rust out your organs, and Shilajit allows iron to be available to prevent anemia. Shilajit prevents from magnesium deficiency causing muscle spasm, insomnia, clotting in the arteries, and arrhythmias like atrial fibrillation, which then can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Shilajit boosts your happy hormones such as endorphins, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. Shilajit calms your mind, keeps you in good mood. Shilajit can literally save your life by activating ATP, so it gives you energy, increases antioxidant defenses, supporting cellular health. Shilajit reverses balding and alopecia. Grow 2 inches of healthy and strong hair every week. Shilajit gives you a major energy boost and keeps you going all day, supports heart health, improves stamina, speeds up metabolism, and increases immune defense. If pharmaceutical companies cured you, they'd go bankrupt. If banks helped you get out of debt, they'd collapse. If politicians actually solved all your problems, nobody would elect them again. If Tom kills Jerry, the show is over. It's all a big show. Everything is fake. Try original Himalaya Shilajit by Natural Herbs Shop. Shilajit to cure yourself. FDA approved, lab tested in UK and USA. Link in bio.